From class 8. Today I am going to explain my supplement chapter, The Shellfish Giant. Every afternoon, where the children came from the school, they went to the giant's garden and play in the giant's garden. There are blossom trees and birds were singing the song on the trees. The children were very happy in the giant's garden. One day the giant came back
about how the camel got his hump. In the beginning, the world was new and the animals were just working for the man. There was a lazy camel. He lived in the middle of the desert because he did not want to work. He just ate sticks and thorns, and when anybody spoke to him, he just said hump and nothing else. Presently, the horse came to him and said to him that
Fatih Aftekar Sheikh from class 8 Astor. Today I am here to explain second chapter of English, The Tsunami. From first, the story is about a man, Ignatius. Ignatius was a manager of the cooperative society in Karchal. His wife woke up early in the morning and she had felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television and kept on the floor so that it should not fall down and broke.
Summit means the highest part of the mountains. So, if summit is this, so what is within? समिट तो है हमारा सबसे ऊपर का पार्ट, जिसके ऊपर हमें पेशेंस, फोकस और कॉन्सेंट्रेट से उधर ही फोकस करके हमें उधर तक पहुंचने का गोल होना चाहिए। सबसे पहले तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट बात है। और विदिन का मतलब होता है हमारे अंदर की अंतर शक्ति जो उधर तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें मदद करती है। तो चैप्टर का मीनिंग ये है।
Myself, Marthajan Marai from class 8 Astor. I am from Holy Family Convent School. As our English ma'am had given a work of explaining the chapter, the name of chapter is The Treasure Within, as here written. So let's start our explanation of chapter. In this chapter, two main candidates are there. First is BR and second is HC. Anyone know the full form of this BR and HC? No. If anyone, please anyone tell me this full form. Huffy's contractor. Okay. Mr. Pillar. The ant and the cricket. There was one silly young cricket. He was happy to sing a song. In the warm and spring season, he was enjoying the lots of. He was dancing and singing a song. Because there is greeny everything and everything was blossom. Then winter season came. The ant go to his house and see the cupboard. The cupboard was empty. There is no food and shelter for it. There is no piece of bread to eat also. The cricket was worried. What we will do now? Then his intention was borrow and lend the food and shelter. Then cricket goes to the.
This is Divyansh explaining the geography lesson. His poem. Its name is geography lesson. So we are going to explain it now. In this lesson, we have a city.
Name is The School Boy. In this poem, one boy who didn't like to go school. He feels this burden of the study. He compares with the bird in cage. He loves the summer morn. The bird singing in the tree. He likes that sound too much. The huntsman sound of horn. The skylark bird at shape. I am here to explain first chapter, the best Christmas present in the world. So, here one paragraph is given. Before you read the story, you will read mention the such event. यहाँ पर हमें बताया कि यहाँ पे डेट्स और इवेंट्स ये इस चैप्टर में जो है, और फिर यहाँ पर एक वार हुआ था ब्रिटिश और जर्मन्स में 1944. I spot in a junk shop. वो जो राइटर है वहाँ पे from class 8 Aston. Today we will run English Literature chapter 4th lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Before you read, we will read. Do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his.
I'm Mobile from class 8 Astor. Today I am going to explain the chapter Children at Work. In this chapter, there is a boy named Velu who ran away from his home to find a work. Velu is a boy which is 11 years old. He ran away from his home to find job in Chennai.